Hi lovely people, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I look a hot mess right now. Look at my hair. If you want to see how I get my hair to go from this to that, then keep watching. I'm back and I'm better. I'm liking this length. It looks way better than before because what was going on before was not it. So this is the finished look. If you like the tutorial you saw today, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. My dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. James 1:19.